In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expression in ElevenLabs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a podcast, an audiobook, or any kind of audio project, infusing your AI-generated voices with emotion can greatly enhance the listener's experience. Let me guide you through the process, step by step. First, get started by opening your web browser. Any browser will do. Just pick the one you're most comfortable with. The interface works seamlessly across different platforms, so you won't encounter any compatibility issues. Once your browser is open, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your ElevenLabs account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for this tutorial, I'm going to assume you've already got one set up. Now that you're logged in, let's dive into ElevenLabs' text-to-speech feature. It's an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to create lifelike voiceovers using advanced technology. To ensure you're set up for success, make sure you're using the 11v3 voice design. This version specifically caters to expressive voices, allowing you to incorporate emotion and tone naturally into your audio projects. The key to adding expression lies in your text input. To specify the emotion or tone you want the voice to convey, you need to enclose your desired expression in square brackets. For example, if you want the voice to sound happy, you'd write happy before the text. This simple tip can transform a flat reading into a rich, emotive presentation, capturing nuances that really bring your script to life. Once you've crafted your message and added the desired expressions, it's time to bring your creation to life. Click the Generate button. The software will process your input, and, in a matter of moments, you'll have an audio file that embodies the emotional cues you've provided. It's that easy. Finally, after reviewing the generated voice, take a moment to listen and ensure it matches your expectations for tone and clarity. If you're satisfied with the result, you can either share it directly or download it to your device. This flexibility means you can easily integrate the file into any project or presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different expressions and tones to discover all the nuances that ElevenLabs can offer. The more you play around with it, the better you'll get at crafting voices that truly resonate with your audience. I hope this process was clear and helpful for you. Adding expression can really elevate your audio projects to the next level. Thanks for joining me today, and happy voice crafting!